Dear white people. Wow. You're not really trying to ting. Be honest. We know there's more out there. They may not be the most sophisticated people, but they do know how to divide, and $20 million isn't shit when you split it between them. Second of all, these people don't dream about being rich. They dream about being able to watch their kids swim in a pool without worrying they'll have to have a hysterectomy.
I get you something, water, painkillers or anything.
Got into Mazepam?
I could do some of that myself.
Yeah? How many? I'll sort you out. Call my mate, Fuzzy Rob.
I'm going to ask you a question.
Don't ask me questions, I hate questions.
Do you want out?
Me? But this is not real. I don't trust it. You're running around town, fucking this girl and that. And I feel hurt and rejected and ugly. And I'm thinking about her. And if you think she's nicer than me and better than me, and that's all I'm fucking thinking about. So, nah! You don't get to show up in a Halloween costume version of us, then claim irony or ignorance. Not any more. And then she has the fucking cheek to say that I ain't been pulling my weight. Me! It's borderline fucking harassment. It was me who won the sports contract. I mean, fair enough, I had to take some leave, but it was me who won it. Surely that should count for something. Oi! Are you listening? This fucking salad is minging.